More than 80 billion Rwandan francs are estimated to be used in 6 districts in which refugee camps are situated, whereas those funds will be used in improving the livelihoods and well-being of the citizens and refugees. Kirehe with the report.
Just Pesnat in Kirehe district, Mahama sector has over 7,000 students. This is one of the schools with the largest number of students in the country, where 80% of them are refugees. The school administration noted that although something has been done through the Jya Mbere Project, they expect to have more than 24 classrooms. We have many students at the school, who are about 7,554. Before, in the double shift classes, we had more than 200 students in one class. But today we have single shift, where 70 all students can study in one classroom, hence to overcrowding. But we established some ways to manage it. At the school, there are also modern classrooms, which are under construction, whereas in this district, there are also modern vocation training center of Musaza, whose construction activities was recently completed, plus another school which was built in the Nyamagabe sector, which will be completed soon, with the total cost of more than 2 billion Rwandan francs. Refugees in this camp now start these activities will further change their livelihood and well-being.
Before, we didn't have access to water, but now we have it, which helps us in improving sanitation in our homes, hence to our development.
The mayor of Kirehe district, Dangira Bruno, noted that this Jya Mbere project will also facilitate districts in fulfilling the basic needs of the citizens living near the camps and refugees as well. There are various essential infrastructure, including schools, TVETs, expanding hospitals and road constructions. Then you understand that those are big projects that will cover up the needs of refugees and citizens who are living near the camps, as well as it will also help in the development of the country. The coordinator of Jya Mbere Project in the ministry in charge of emergency management, Jeannette Uwimana, pointed out that this project will further improve the community's well-being.
The residents and the refugees in the campsites are in good terms, since both they access together the social services like schools, water, hospitals and other places. They also provide jobs among them. So what we can urge them is to protect these infrastructures.
This project have been operating in the 6 different districts of Gatsibo, which has the Nyabitinja refugee camp, Gicumbi, which had former Gihembe refugee camp, Gisagara district with Mogomba refugee camp, and Nyamagabe district, which has Kigali refugee camp. Kirehe, RTV News.